this video, I will show you how to list your property on Airbnb. So what you need to do is from your Airbnb home screen, you need to click on switch to hosting in here. And in here, click on complete your listing. Select which of these best describes your place. So in my case, this is a cabin, but you can see a lot of things. So choose this as accurate as possible. So I'm going to click on cabin and I'm going to click on next after. Select the type of place that guests will have. So is it an entire place, a room, or a shared room in a hostel? And in my case, it is an entire place. And after click on next again. In here, enter the address of your place. So fill in all of the details, and after you need to click on next and make sure everything is right. And after you've filled everything in, you can also select to show your specific location, or you can just go ahead and click on next. So in the next screen, you can make sure that the pin is in the right spot. And if not, then just drag the map and reposition the pin. And after you've done that, go ahead and click on next. In here you can share some basics about your place. So the amount of guests that can stay in your place, the amount of bedrooms, the amount of beds, and the amount of bathrooms. So go ahead and fill this in, and after click on next again. In the next step, you will be able to add some amenities to your place. So let's click on next and add them. So the amenities will consist of things like Wi-Fi, TV, kitchen, washer, standout amenities like a pool, a hot tub, a barbecue, pool table, skiing, outdoor shower, stuff like that. So go ahead and fill everything in that is in your property. So after you have done everything, click on next. And in here you need to add photos of your cabin. And you will need 5 photos to get started. So you can go ahead and click on add photos in here. And you can also make changes later. So let's click on add photos. And in here you can basically drag and drop the photos in, or you can click on browse and just manually select them. So I will just drag them in. So let's do that. And now I'm going to click on upload at the bottom right. So select the cover photo in here, and you can change the cover photo by clicking on the 3 stripes and then select move forward. You can also edit the photos in here, or you can delete and add another one by clicking on the plus icon in here. So if everything is all right, then go ahead and click on next. In this section, you need to give your listing a title. So let's say a 12-person cabin in the Alps. Let's go ahead and click on next. So in here you need to describe your listing with 2 highlights. So in my case that is peaceful and spacious, and I'm going to click on next. In here you can create a description, and after you've entered it, go ahead and click on next. And in this last step, we can finish up and publish. So let's click on next. Right now you can select your booking settings. So you can click on approve your first bookings, that is recommended, or you can use instant book and let guests book automatically. So this one is recommended. So you can always change, but this option is recommended. So let's select this one and click on next. In this section, you need to choose who is welcome for your first reservation. And is it any Airbnb guest or only experienced guests? Well, any Airbnb guest will give you a higher chance of getting your first reservation. So I'm going with this option and I'm going to click on next. In here, you can set a weekday base price. So this is based on a full week. So let's manually adjust this to this price. And then you will see what the guest price is. So this is what the guest will be paying, and this is the service fee. So it's already calculated in this price. So you can also view similar listings in here to get a good overview on what you should ask for your place. So after you've set it, go ahead and click on next. And in here you can set a weekend price and also add a premium for Fridays and Saturdays. And in this bar, you can select the weekend premium. So this will be added to the price. So let's say we take 5%, then we also see what the guest price will be. And after we can click on next. In this section, you can add discounts. So you can add a 20% new listing promotion, 20% off for your first 3 bookings, a last minute discount, weekly discount, or a monthly discount. So go ahead and fill this into your preferences. And I'm going to select all of them and click on next. We're almost at the end, and in here we need to share our safety details. So does your place have any of these? An exterior security camera present, a noise decibel monitor present, or weapons on the property? So go ahead and fill this in if you have any of these, and otherwise click on create listing. So right now we need to finish a few last steps. So let's go ahead and click on finish up. So the listing is actually sort of completed. So the only thing that you need to do right now is verify your host account if you haven't done that yet, and also confirm your phone number with a call or a text from Airbnb. So if you do this, then your listing will be finalized and it will be reviewed, and you will receive a message in your messages box if your listing will be accepted. And you will see that in here. So basically that is everything that you need to know in order to list your place on Airbnb. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.